Connecting your Shopify store to Cuneiform Chat takes about 5 minutes. There is no app review and nothing to wait for. This is what you are building towards: your catalog, your orders, and your live stock, readable by your agents. You get there by creating a small app inside your own Shopify admin. Cuneiform gives you the exact values to put in it. 7 steps sounds like a lot. Every one of them is in the same place, your Shopify Dev Dashboard. 2 things before we start. On the Shopify side, you need to be the store owner or a staff account with app permissions. Collaborator accounts cannot open the Dev Dashboard, and on this side, you need an account that can connect integrations. That is the whole list. Start here, in Cuneiform, on the Commerce page under Shopify. If someone has already handed you credentials, the 3 fields are right there, and you can skip ahead. Everyone else opens the guide. This is your checklist, and it is also where 2 values come from: the webhooks API version and the address your dashboard opens at. Only one of them has a copy button, and that is deliberate. The version you pick from a drop-down in Shopify, so it is here to read. The address you paste, so it is here to copy. Copy them from your own panel, not from this video. They belong to your deployment, and they do change. Step 1, and it is in your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then Apps, then Develop Apps. From there, you build the app in the Dev Dashboard. Choose Create App, then start from the Dev Dashboard and give it a name. Pick something you will recognize in 6 months. Nobody outside your store ever sees it, so it only has to make sense to you. Steps 2, 3, and 4 all happen on one screen, and the last of them ships the other 2. First, the access scopes. Cuneiform asks for exactly 5, and every one of them is read only: products and inventory. So your agents can answer catalog and stock questions, orders, shipments, and customers, so they can look up an order for the shopper who placed it. Add exactly the ones the panel lists. Grant fewer, and the features that need them quietly switch themselves off. Next, the webhooks API version. This one is a drop-down, so you are choosing it rather than typing it. Pick the value the panel gives you, exactly that one. This is worth slowing down for. On a different version, Shopify still sends us your order updates. They just arrive in a shape we do not read, and order tracking stops working with nothing on screen to tell you. Then, step 4, which is 2 jobs in one, tick Embed App in Shopify Admin and set the app URL to the address you copied. Add that same address to the allowed redirection URLs. That is what lets your Cuneiform dashboard open inside your Shopify admin. And then save and release the version. The scopes, the API version, and those URLs all ship in that one release. Nothing before this point is live. Step 5 is the easiest one to miss, and the only one you cannot undo. It is called Custom Distribution, and it starts on the app's Overview tab. On the distribution card, choose Select Distribution Method. That hands you over to your partner dashboard. There are 2 options, and only one of them is right for this. Public distribution is for publishing on the App Store, which is not what we are doing. So choose Custom Distribution. Take a moment over that, because Shopify will not let you change it afterwards. Then enter your store domain and generate the install link. Make sure you enter your store domain, not the one shown here. Double check the domain name before you hit Generate Link. There it is. Link is generated. You can copy it from here and paste into your browser to install the app into your store. Alternatively, you can also install from your Dev Dashboard. Last step on the Shopify side, open the app's settings and reveal the client ID and the client secret. Back in Cuneiform, there are 3 fields. The store domain first, your permanent myshopify.com address, not your custom domain, then the client ID, and then the client secret. The secret is masked as you paste it, stored encrypted, and never sent back to your browser. And connect. Cuneiform trades those credentials for a token, then reads your store once to prove the token works. If either half fails, nothing is saved at all, so you never end up half connected. Connected? And the card now shows exactly what you granted: your store, the API version in use, and the permissions Shopify actually handed over. Your catalog starts syncing on its own. Nobody has to press anything. Once it lands, your agents can answer product questions straight from it. Order updates arrive as webhooks, and this panel is where you confirm they are landing. These are healthy, which is what enabling custom distribution bought us. Now, the ways this goes wrong, because several of them look alike and are not. This first one is the common one, by a long way. The app is not installed on the store yet. It tells you your credentials look correct, and it means go back, install, and try again. These two are different problems wearing the same face. One says Shopify does not recognize the client ID, which means you copied it out of the wrong app. The other says the secret was rejected, so copy it again from the settings page. This next one is subtle because the store does connect. Shopify simply did not grant everything that was asked for. The alert names what is missing, and what stays switched off until it is granted. Shopify restricts customer and order access on its cheapest plans, so check your plan first. Fixing it means releasing a new version with the full set. And a new version does not update a store that already has the app installed. So, after new version release, you have to update the app on Shopify Admin. And on Cuneiform Admin panel, disconnect, then again, reconnect store will fix the issue. That is the whole setup. An app you own, on a store you own, with 5 read permissions and no review queue in front of it. Everything after this is switches, order notifications, a storefront inside your chat channels, recommendations, analytics. Your store is connected. Go and turn something on.